Meaning of illegality.
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 Illegality. Illegality refers to something that is unlawful or not permitted by law. It can refer to actions, behavior, or objects that violate the law and may result in criminal or civil penalties, such as fines, imprisonment, or seizure of property. Engaging in illegal activities can have serious consequences, both for individuals and society as a whole. The prevalence of illegality can create social instability, infringe on human rights, and damage public trust in institutions. Therefore, it is important for individuals and governments to recognize and address issues of illegality in order to promote a fair and just society.